Create artboard and place the image. Click on File and place Embedded to place the image. Select Subject Selection tool. Click on Object. Now click on Layer Mask. Now create solid color. Use this color code. Now add shadow. You can use the same setting and press OK. Create solid color. Click on Mask and press Ctrl+I. Select Gradient tool. Use the same gradient and follow the process. Change blend mode normal to hard light. Create new layer. Right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Select Eyedropper tool and pick darker color. Select Brush tool and follow the same process. Decrease brush opacity around 50%. Change blend mode normal to hard light. Keep opacity around 85%. Create new layer. Select Eyedropper tool and pick light color. Change blend mode normal to overlay. Keep opacity around 75%. Hold down Shift and select layer. Now select Horizontal Type tool. I'm using Bieber's new regular font. Font size 100 point. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. I'm using Poppin's regular font. Font size 30 point. Now decrease the leading. Now place the logo here. Now select Ellipse tool and follow the process. Decrease leading. Double-click on the layer. Use the same setting and press OK. Now select Eraser tool. Right-click and click on Rasterize layer. Decrease fill 0%. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Hold down Ctrl and click on Burger Mask. Now click on Layer Mask. Press Ctrl+I. Now press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Click on Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Now follow the same process. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.